student of class 6. Today we are going to start a new chapter in MT, chapter 12, humility. Humility is the humbleness. A humble person respect everyone. Humbleness is a quality of being courteously respectful of other. It is the opposite of aggressiveness, arrogance, boastfulness, and vanity. Haughtiness may destroy friendship, resentment divide family and co-worker, prejudice separate religion from religion. Reputations are fought over arrogant assertions. But if we humble, the above thing will not happen, as humble humility is the quality that let us go out of the way to meet the need and demand of other. Let's discuss a story based on this chapter. Mr. Das had two sons, Devarshi and Rajesh. He sent them for further studies. He sent them to USA for further studies after they had completed their graduation in Bangalore. After a few years, having completed their studies, both of them returned from the USA. Now, Mr. Das was to test them what they have learned. One day they called both of their sons and asked one by one about what they had learned in all these years. First, they asked to Rajesh, "What did you have learned in all these years, my dear son?" Rajesh replied that it is not possible for him to tell that what he had learned. He have acquired a lot of knowledge about the world around him, and his knowledge is truly vast, and his father have to be proud that his son is so well educated. But by this answer, Mr. Das was not truly convinced, because Rajesh's answer is filled with arrogance and proudness. Then he turned toward Devarsi and asked him the same question. First, Devarsi kept silent for a few moments. Then again, Mr. Das replied his question. Then Devarsi tell that I have learned a lot. Every moment I am learned something new, but I felt that there was much more that I have learned. Today, when I look back, I feel it is impossible for me or anyone that have learned to learn all the things. There is so much more that I have yet to learn. In fact, learning is never ending process. After listening this answer, Mr. Das was overjoyed with his son, because in his answer, he saw saw the humility. As a truly learned man is the hallmark of as a truly true humility is the hallmark of a truly educated person. This is about your chapter. Thank you.